How to create recipes in MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. You can see here different options at the bottom like dashboard, diary, newsfeed, plans and the more option. You have to click on more option. Now scroll this bar and how you can create your recipes. Click on the recipes, meals and food here. Now you can see here recipes, meals and food. You can create your recipes. Click on create a recipe, enter ingredients manually. Now you have to write the name of the recipes and the imported ingredients. You have to import that ingredients and from your another app and paste on it. In this way you can add your new recipe in MyFitnessPal app. Just make sure watch the complete video and consider to showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.